Okay, so the power rule also affects quotients. Now, because division is what quotients are, is related to multiplication, this rule is almost identical to the product power rule we just looked at. So if I have a fraction with two different bases, all taken to some power, it's the same as taking each part of the fraction to that power. And that's what the product power rule says. It's another way of simplifying our terms. So let's look at examples. And you can see how this is related to the multiplication rule because A over B is the same as A times 1 over B. And if we're taking all of this to n, it would be the same as taking both of these to n. This lets us know that in the denominator, downstairs here, when we do repeated multiplications, it follows the same power rules. So, I'll go with a bright color here. If we get x cubed divided by y to the fourth, scroll that up for you here, x cubed divided by y to the fourth, but we take the whole thing to the fifth power, that's the same as x to the third times 5 over y to the 4 times 5. And that's x to the 15th over y to the 20th. Now in the homework you'll have tonight, we're going to work with a lot of examples of these and how these rules come together. In the next little video, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to look at some examples that we can do that use multiple forms of these rules. And then we're going to look at some special cases of the powers. But here we have each of the rules.